Searching for a 2008 Holden Commodore. You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, power mirrors, power windows, curtain head airbags. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.